Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something powerful and futuristic in the world of AI truly, Modern Contact Protocol or MCP. We will break down how MCP works, why it's a game changer, and even build a real MCP server from scratch. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. What is MCP? It's like a USB-C for AI models, a standard that lets AI connect to other tools like Gmail or KF. It was made by Anthropic in 2024, and now it's used by big companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google DeepMind. With MCP, AI model can do more than just check. They can take the real action using external tools. So here is the diagram. At the top of the diagram, we have the MCP host. Think of this as a platform or app you are interacting with, for example, cloud, cluster, Winchef, or desktop agent. Now each host communicates with something called an MCP client. So these clients are the bridge between the host and external tool. Here the MCP clients use the MCP protocol, a standardized way to send and receive instructions between your AI model and real server. So let's go from left to right. On the left, we have the file system MCP server. One element want to access file, read, write, and such. So it's go through the MCP client using the MCP protocol and talk to this file system server. In the middle, we see an MCP server connected to GitHub, so maybe for fetching repository, creating issue, or analyzing code. And finally, on the right, an MCP server that integrates with Gmail and letting your AI system read or draft email all securely and through protocol. So the beauty of this is how modular it is, and you can plug in any external system like YouTube, database, API, and it's as an MCP server, and then the model can call it just like a regular tools. And here is the workflow to do for MCP server. One, we have two tools, video command and settlement analysis. For video command, we will fetch the video from YouTube and perform the settlement analysis for the command. So this is the MCP server to do in this video. So first, I have this like workspace, and before to do anything, I need to create the environment variable. So to create the environment variable, let's type the like create the Python minus and env environment. The name, we can add whatever we want. After you created the environment file, so right now it's time to activate our like environment file. So here is the way. So I use the window. So this is the way to activate for the window. And after that, yeah, we need to install the library. So that's why. So you need to create the requirement file. So requirements.txt and for me, yeah, I copy from our like requirement file in here. We have to get API Python client and HTTP, MCP client, MCP, and transformer. So to install this one, and we need to install pip install minus r requirements.txt. Yes. To read this time installation time, so I need to check the workflow. So to do that, we will have the YouTube command tool. So this is first the from YouTube video command. So that's why we need API to fetch this one. So for this case, we need to go. You need to go console, Google Cloud Console, and find the YouTube. So in here, we need to enable YouTube Data API version 3. So for my side, I already enabled this one. So after that, so we need to get the uh, API key. So let's go to the to get the API key and go to credential, and we can create the API key. Yeah, create credential, and we need to get API key. So after we create that, you will get the API key. So for my side, yeah, this one is API key I already used. Okay, and next one is for settlement analysis. So we use the HTTP. So that is why you need to go to HTTP and get the HTTP token. Just log in HTTP and go to the accept token section and create a new token with right accept to get the token. So I just use this way and copy those kind of token, also the YouTube API token. And so that's why we need to create the environment file. So in here, just paste the environment file. And now it's time to write our MCP server. So go to like MCP documentation and we can see for MCP. Right now we will use for Python, so let's go to Python SDK. And this Python SDK, they mention about like we can install UV Manager and also the bit install MCP client. Yeah, we can see. And here is the demo to write the MCP server. We can initialize the MCP from first MCP, and also we can create the two resource to do that one. And we can also we can see the like to run the MCP inspector. We can use this command to run the MCP inspector. So okay, right now it's the installing. Let's check other thing what we can do with MCP. We can create the server, and beyond that, resources, choose from images, content, and also even authentication. We can do to our MCP server to do for authentication. Yeah, this is all the documentation they mentioned, and we can read uh, whatever we want. So in here is the installing. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, right now it's done. Okay, so right now I will copy paste the code that I already write. So in here we can see, yeah, it's saying first we need to uh, based on our workflow. Yeah, we can see initialize our MCP. So first install the required import. Yeah, sorry, import the package, and here we initialize the MCP server, and we will get the environment variable using this one, and also the label that is for the sentiment analysis. We will get the positive, neutral, or negative. Yeah, right now here is for the tool to write the video command, so to fetch the video from the YouTube. So here is to build. Also we can read YouTube command snip from this code. So for this case, I only kept the command, so it will not include the reply from each command. Yeah, so in here I return command data from this two. Yes, and next one is for we can see the sentiment analysis. So in this case, I use the pipeline from transformer. So this is the like to get the uh, sentiment analysis. Yeah, to make this one. So here is like some of the like some blog posts, and we can see from Hatchivik and how we can use this pipeline. And I will also mention this link on the description. Yes. And yeah, next one we can see this line of code. This is we can see the 120 character. So because I add this one is like uh, based on our model that I use. So we can see the maximum like token is like 128 token in here. So we cannot exceed more than this one if we use this model. So that's why we need to reduce the like token to the 120. So this is most the case. Yes, in here it will return uh, the data from this sentiment analysis. Okay, yeah. Now, right now it's time to run like using the like MCP inspector. So we can check from the documentation. They mention like here, okay, MCP tab server.py. So for my case, MCP tab main.py. So after we run this one, we can see like MCP inspector on MCP inspector. Yes, we can see. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, now it's running on this board. So I will open this one and what we can see. And we can see the MCP inspector in here. And for transport type, we can see three. Yeah, but I will use STTIO. Okay, and right now it's time to let's connect. So when we connect, we can see the receive message from session ID. So it's now connected, and we need to wait a little bit. So it will take time. Yes, this is for UI for MCP inspector. So before we connect with to Casa MCP, yeah, we can check our function is working or not. Okay, here we can see like resources from two. But for me, I don't have any resources. So when we flash, we don't have this one. So for tools, we will have. So we have two tools: video command and sentiment analysis. So for video command, so I will copy. So one of the YouTube video. So in here, so we can see like a little bit 36 comments so far. Okay, so I will copy the video ID and go to MCP inspector and paste it here for run two. So we can see, and here, yeah, it is successfully okay. We can see the command. Yes, yeah, left chat from the command. Yeah, see, we called it this one. So the next tool to take is like sentiment analysis. Let me copy something from one command. Yes, and go to sentiment analysis, and I can use it in here. So this one, yeah, I will do in array. Yeah, and like that. Okay, and run to. So it's like call it the pipeline for sentiment analysis from transformer. So we can check this one is like what kind of sentiment. So we can see it's initial. Yes. So that's pretty cool. So right now, yeah, we can see everything is successfully okay. And okay, right now, so we can like add MCP this server into our Casa setting. So to do that, we can go to like Casa and check the model contact protocol. So how do they like implement in Casa? So we can see for Python, so we can use this kind of JSON file to add in Casa. And in Casa, they mentioned that we can add two way. One is for our project configuration local file, and one is for global configuration for everything. But right now, I will use global configuration. So to do that, I need to go to setting, and we can find the MCP. So here we can add new global. So we can add the JSON file that mentioned from Casa documentation. And we can see for the Savannah, we can add this one. And also we can add the command. Yes, for command, and this one will be like Python. Python, yes. And let me check. Yes, correct. This is for Python. So for my side, I need to check with Python. So that's why I need to check with Python. And here we can see my here Python path. Yeah, not include the best. Let's see. We can add here. Okay. So next one is for the my find path. So let me check for authority is correct or not. Yeah. Okay. Correct. So let me check on the Casa setting, and we can see. Okay, right now it's free. Let me refresh. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, now we can see two tools is available: video command and sentiment analysis. So right now it's time to test. So let's open the check and write the like. Can you give the video command? Yeah, from this YouTube video ID, and let me pass the ID and make settlement. Yeah, let me let the settlement analysis. The command, yes, and give me the top like 5 positive command. Yes. So let me run this one. So first it will first call the video command and run to. We can see so what we got. Okay, here we got settlement. Yeah, analysis and let's run. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, right here we go like top 5 positive comment. Yes, that's really cool. So that is we can give the like positive comment. Yes. So let me check from the YouTube. And yes, we got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that this is the way like how I like implement in Casa MCP setting. So thank you for everyone.